veggie starts. There's two things to know. If you have seeds, well, after you use them or when you buy them and you're not going to use them for a while, leave them in your fridge. It's better for your seed and you'll get more of a yield when you start to plant. Ours have just come out of the fridge because we're ready for lettuce. So firm base, push down on anything you use, as you can see what I use at home. Be creative. And it spread the seed. Seeds are tiny and it spreads them right around. If you're working with seedling mix in bags, please whānau do it in a ventilated area. There's a chance of Legionnaire's disease, what we call it in the potting world. Not much soil on top of the seed. A little bit of soil. Name and date, what you've grown in your pot. And 2-3 weeks you shall have your first seedlings pop up. We are going to have a go at growing corn. If you ever get these from the supermarket, perfect to put corn in if you haven't got any little tubs. Push down your soil so it's nice and firm. About a fingernail down. And you want to just put your seed in. We're just going to top it up. And we're going to firmly push. Not much soil on the top. One corn seed will grow your up to 3 corn, mainly one, but that can go for pumpkin, cucumber, all our big seeds. Kia ora.